Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial comparing Klaviyo and GoHigh level. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log in to your account. Klaviyo and GoHigh level are both robust marketing platforms, but they target different types of businesses and offer distinct feature sets. Klaviyo is particularly well suited for e-commerce businesses, especially those using platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. Its strength lies in tracking detailed customer behavior, such as website browsing, purchase history, and email engagement. Klaviyo leverages this data to create highly personalized email marketing campaigns, helping businesses deliver the right message to the right customer. With features like automated workflows for abandoned cart recovery, post-purchase follow-ups, and personalized product recommendations, Klaviyo is designed to optimize the customer journey. Its seamless integration with e-commerce platforms, along with real-time analytics, makes it a top choice for brands that want to boost conversions through data-driven marketing efforts. On the other hand, GoHigh level is designed as an all-in-one platform for marketing and CRM, making it a great fit for agencies or businesses managing multiple clients or complex marketing operations. GoHigh level combines email marketing, CRM, SMS marketing, funnel building, and appointment scheduling into a single platform. Its CRM functionality enables businesses to track leads, automate follow-up processes, and efficiently manage client relationships. The platform also includes a funnel builder, allowing users to create sales funnels without needing external tools. GoHigh level's SMS marketing feature adds another layer of communication, helping businesses engage customers across multiple channels. Moreover, its white label option makes it popular among agencies looking to rebrand the platform as their own. In summary, Klaviyo is an excellent choice for e-commerce businesses that want to drive conversions through personalized, data-driven email marketing. On the other hand, GoHigh level is a versatile solution for agencies or businesses seeking an integrated platform that combines email marketing, CRM, SMS, and more, making it easier to manage multiple marketing channels and client relationships from one place. If you're looking to quickly grow your email list while also earning high-ticket commissions, I have a free training program for you, linked in the description below. It's completely free and super easy to get started, so be sure to check it out if you want to build your list more effectively. Thanks for watching.